You are watching JNC's Corner.
Hi guys, fourth day here in UK and we are going to Greenwich Museum. Of course, I'm with my mother and my sister, our driver. Ganda ng ano na yun, ng simbahan. Yan, flag ng ano, ng England. Okay guys, we're here in the Greenwich Museum. There you go.
Today 206 Trafalgar Road.
So we arrived here near the Greenwich Museum. We're just looking for the car park.
Look at the children.
A few moments later.
Finally, we arrived here in National Maritime Museum. Let's go. So these are the Royal Museum of Greenwich. So may iba-iba silang building. Maritime, Queen's House, ano pa ba, Observatory, Peters Harrison Planetarium. So ayan yung kanilang map. Dito tayo sa National Maritime Museum, kaya yung entrance nila is anchor, ang laking anchor. Ito naman yung sa kabila, ganyan. Ito, gusto ni mother magpa-picture. Hinahanap niya yung phone niya, grabe. Tagal pa ng hanapan. Okay, let's go in. Meron silang penny press kung gusto nyo ng ng souvenir. Pwede kayong pumili. Yan yung map nila. So, let's go in here. Ayan, maritime ito kaya makikita natin lahat about waters. Ayan. Ito yung boat, mga boats. Ito yung speed wheel, racing dinghy. 1956 pa daw ito. Ito yung photo niya dati, oh. And this is how they made it. Look. Ayan. So, let's go farther. Meron silang mga dito, oh. Statues. Picture muna kami. Mother, mahilig yan magpa-picture si mother kaya naka-posing. Ayan yung captain, oh. So ito yung queen. Mga captain ng ships. Itong ship na to guys is called Royal Barge. Last 1732 pa ito guys. Ang haba nito. Grabe. So, dinesign daw ito ni William, Architect William, para sa Prince of Wales. Ayan, oh, ang haba. Grabe. Ito yung dulo niya, oh. Grabe, intricate yung mga designs niya. So guys, parang stainless steel siyang boat. Parang submarine ang design, oh. So ito yung very fastest boat. Yan, Miss Britain the Third. So if you want to travel fast, ito yung ginagamit nila. Oh, di ba? Napaka niya, no? Very thin lang ang design niya, minimalist. No, it's not submarine, but it's the fastest boat. A sample of the engine. So ito yung engine ng ng boat na yon sa dulo. Ayan, ito yung engine niya. Part yan ng isang ano sa ship. Yung sa side ng wall niya. Dito na kami, bumalik na kami dito sa ano nila, souvenir shop. Umiikot lang kami. Ang ganda ng mga souvenir nila.
Notebook here, just a plain notebook. And then we've got this one here.
More moments later.
Ahoy there! Ayan. So, pasok tayo dito, guys. I-tour natin si Mother. So, this is the lighthouse. You can see there's a lighthouse on the top.
Go to the back entrance and go up the slope. So if you go down.
So, this is the children's gallery. Kaya hindi kami makapasok dyan, only for children. Okay, so we're going to the first floor. Then we're gonna ride through the lift.
Level. Baltic exchange memorable specific on season.
Okay, so level 1A tayo. We arrive at 1A. Let's go! So, ito yung makikita natin dito sa level 1A. Yung mga, ano, para siyang mga, ano ba tawag nito? What do you call?
Baltic glass.
Ah, Baltic glass. Okay. Baltic glass. Wow. So overwhelming pag dito ka kasi parang punong-puno yung mata mo.
Oh wow!
Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang picturean. Okay. Okay, since nandito na tayo, isa-isahin natin kung ano makikita natin dito. Ayan yung mga swords. They're the swords that they use.
Admirals, captains, and politicians.
Oh, so admirals, captains, and politician pala ito. Ganda ng mga ano nila, wall decors na ito. So these are the samples of the badge. We have a different kind of boats. Ayan, samples or miniature boats. And they have a screen here, and then you have to touch. You have to touch the object, and it will going to give you the information about it. So it's an interactive. So ito pa yung ibang badge on the wall. So mayroong excursion yata ng mga kids dito. Here is the sample of the submarines. Ayan, Ayan, may balsa din sila, Ito sample ng lagyanan ng inuman nila. Ayan naman sample ng mga lamps. Mga accessories that you can use sa boats. Laki ng boots na yan,
Oh wow!
Ayan doon yung bell. So let's go to the next level, level 1. So here in the landing area, they have this beautiful portrait. So this is level 1B. This is what you can see here. Here they are. We'll try to see here what's in here. I think this is restaurant. Ayan, dyan kami kanina, Ito yung sa taas ng ng boat. Ito naman yung sa namin, Ayan. Pinicture namin kanina. So dito, it's just like an open space. And there is a ocean map here. So as you can see, it says ocean map. Ayan. So very open space. Siguro they use this also to have some showcase. Ayan o, ang makikita mo dito yung parang veranda. So, ayan. Maraming mga students dito, mga pupils kasi nga it's very educative. So, ayan, may ano sila, cafe. So, let's come to this part. Wala na siyang ano. No more, mother, battery and memory. Wow, ayan o, mga old boats. This is what they used for trading long time ago.
Hi, mother.
Let's explore inside. This is when Europe meets Asia. Grabe, tingnan mo yung ano. Totoo yan no? Ayan yung tragedy in the sea. So, ito yung sample ng ship, guys, na ginagamit for trading. So, global trade today. So we got some information. Mother, you look the playground where your grandsons were playing before. So yan, dyan nag-play yung mga apo mo, Mother.
Nakapagita na, hindi ko gusto mo view, di na ako magawa.
Ayan o, may ano doon. May conservatory doon sa dulo? Observatory.
Ayan, oh. Royal Observatory. I don't know. I haven't been there because you have to pay.
How much ba?
I don't know.
South Wing, second floor. So we'll see what we can see here. Ayan, the Tudor and Stuart seafarers. Wow, more on ano na naman. Ang gaganda ng mga ano nila. Can you imagine long time ago, ganyan na yung mga sasakyan nila. Although it's wood lang, pero napaka ano, intricate ng design. Ano? Mga pirate ship na siya. Correction, mga warship. Hindi siya gali warship. Ayan, ang galing ng warship. Oh. Mga treasure chest. Wow. Ayan, oh, ships, hourglass. Laki, ano? Ayan, ang shoes, oh. Female shoes pa na. This is what we call terrestrial globe. So let's explore what made England a maritime nation. Wow. Ayan yung itsura ng mga boats noon. Oh. Handwriting ng mga ano, seafarer. Wow. Hindi mo maintindihan. Map of the book of map nila. Mapping the world. So ito yung mga dinadala, tinitrade nila. So tobacco, hemp, ano ba, silk, pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, porcelain and fur. So ayan ang mga tinitrade pala nila.
Hindi ba muna sa una? Huwag mo sila kalingawan?
Okay, we're finished. We're going out. Hey, time to eat, guys. Wow. Dito na lang kami kumain sa Ocean Court Cafe kasi wala na, napagod na kami at nagutom na.
Eating time.
More moments later.
So you can donate here before going. Oh, we're going out now, guys. Time to go. Finally, we're here outside. Yan yung Greenwich Observatory. Still on repair. Okay, that's London there on the other end. Ayan, part pa rin yan ng Greenwich Observatory.
Greenwich
Ayan.
Royal Observatory. In 100 meters.
Ayan o, may double deck din silang bus. Yan ang tinatawag na bus, Bing. So that's all for now, guys, and thank you very much for watching until the end, and I hope you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more awesome travel tips, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.